नमस्ते, खुश रहो बिटिया। My name is JVM Sachin Pratap Singh. Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department of Journalism, Program name PA Journalism, third sem, course name Media Ethics and Law, सेशन नेम इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। आपने इससे पहले वाले सेशन में इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कैसे बना, कैसे आया, कभी पारित हुआ, कौन कौन थे इस कमेटी में, सबसे पहले प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया कौन थे, इसके बारे में जाना। अब इसके बैकग्राउंड की बात करते हैं तो इन 1928 द ऑल पार्टीज कॉन्फ्रेंस convened a committee in Lucknow to prepare the Constitution of India, which was known as the Nehru Report. Most of colonial in India was under British rule 1857 to 1947. From 1947 to 1950, the same regulation continued be implemented as India was a dominion of British. For these 3 years, H is state of convention by Sardar Patel and B.P. Menon to sign the articles of integration with India, and the British government continued to be responsible for the external security of the country. Thus, the Constitution of India repealed the Indian Independence Act 1947 and Government of India Act 1935 when it became effective on 26 January 1950. India caged to be dominion of British Crown and become democratic republic with the constitution. Article 5, Article 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 324, 366, 367, 379, 380, 388, 391, 392, 393 and 394 of the constitution came into force on 26 November 1949 and the remaining articles being effective on 26 January 1950. The constitution was drawn from a number of sources, mindful of Indian needs and condition, its farmer broad future of previous regulation, such as the Government of India Act 1858, the Indian Councils Act of 1861, 1892, and 1909, the Government of India Acts 1919 and 1935, and the Indian Independence Act 1947, the latter which led to the creation of India and Pakistan, divided the former Constituent Assembly in two. Each new assembly had sovereign power to draft and enact a new constitution for the separate states. The constitution was drafted by the Constituent Assembly, which was elected by elected member. The 389 member in assembly reduced to 219 after the partition of India took almost 3 years to draft the constitution, holding 11 sessions over a 165 days period. B.R. Ambedkar was a vice constitutional expert. He had studied the constitution of about 60 countries. जो भीमराव अम्बेडकर थे, उन्होंने 60 कंट्रीज में की कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को पढ़ा और उसमें से 60 कंट्रीज में से इंडिया के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को लिखा। अम्बेडकर रिकॉग्नाइज्ड एज द फादर ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया। भीमराव अम्बेडकर को कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फादर ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया माना गया है। इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली ए मेंबर of the drafting committee, T.T. Krishna Amchari said, Mr. President, sir, I am one of those in the House who have listened to Dr. Ambedkar very carefully. I am aware of the amount of work that he was brought to bear on the work of drafting this constitution. At the same time, I do realize that amount of attention and that was necessary for the purpose of drafting a constitution so important to us at moment has not been given to it by the drafting committee. The House, aware that the 7 members nominated by you, one had resigned from the House and was replaced. One died and was not replaced. One was away in America and his place was not filled up, and another person was engaged in state affairs. That there was a void to that extent. One or two peoples were from away from Delhi. Reason to hell did not permit them to attend. So it happened ultimately that the burden of drafting this constitution fell of Dr. Ambedkar, and I have no doubt that we are grateful to him to for having achieved this week in manner which is undoubtedly commendable. Timeline of formation of the Constitution of India: 6 December 1946. Formation of the Constitution Assembly: 9 December 1946. The first meeting was held in the Constitution Hall. The first person to address was J.B. Kripalani. Satyanarayana Sinha became temporary president. 11 December 1946. The Assembly appointed Rajendra Prasad as the president, S.C. Mukherjee as the vice chairman, and B.N. Roy as a constitutional legal advisor. 3rd December 1946, an object resolution was presented by Jawaharlal Nehru. 16 July 1948, along with Haren Mukherjee, B.T. Krishnamachari, we also elected as the second vice president, Constituent Assembly. 26 November 1949, the Constitution of India was passed and adopted by the Assembly. 26 January 1950, the meeting of Constitution Assembly, the Constitution was signed and accepted. 26 1950. 24 January 1950, the last meeting of Constitution Assembly. The Constitution was signed and accepted with 395 articles, 8 schedules, and by 22 parts. 26 January 1950, the Constitution came into force. The process took 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days to total expenditure of 6.4 million to finish. Thank you.